Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're stepping into the world of ultimate automotive luxury with the 2024 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement piece, a rolling palace that redefines the concept of opulence. So buckle up, and let's explore what makes the Cullinan so extraordinary. The design. The Cullinan's design exudes a timeless elegance. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille takes center stage, flanked by LED headlights that project an air of refined power. The high stance and muscular proportions command attention, while the split tailgate adds a touch of practicality without compromising the car's luxurious aesthetic. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of unparalleled craftsmanship. The finest leathers, wood veneers, and bespoke details create an atmosphere of pure luxury. The seats are akin to armchairs, offering exceptional comfort and support. The spacious cabin provides ample room for passengers to relax and enjoy the journey. Technology plays a subtle yet significant role in the Cullinan. The infotainment system is intuitive and seamlessly integrated, offering all the features you'd expect in a car of this caliber. However, the focus remains on the handcrafted elements and the sheer opulence of the surroundings. Performance. Under the hood, the Cullinan boasts a powerful 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. While not designed for neck-snapping acceleration, it delivers effortless power and smooth performance, ensuring a serene driving experience. The all-wheel drive system and advanced suspension ensure confident handling on any terrain, whether navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path. Unique selling points. The 2024 Cullinan's biggest selling point is its position at the pinnacle of automotive luxury. It's not just a car, it's a bespoke masterpiece that caters to the most discerning clientele. The level of customization offered by Rolls-Royce allows owners to create a Cullinan that truly reflects their individual taste and preferences.